Okay, the Insta360 Go 3. As you can see, this is the black edition, 128 gigs. And the question is that I've been getting a lot recently, is this good for vlogging? Can you use this, for example, to have a YouTube channel? So with the Ace Pro, I had a very different response. What I basically said is that, yes, it's perfect for outdoors, indoors, low light and whatnot. It's great. With this camera, the answer is a bit split. So this should not be used as your main vlogging or YouTube camera because it does have certain limitations that you just cannot fix in a very simple way. So if you're just using this to vlog outdoors like this is perfect. This will get you covered, no problem. And so you can see it as a B camera. You know, it's not your main camera, but as a B camera. It's perfect for film vlogging outdoors. The onboard microphone is really good, but you cannot attach an external microphone to these Go 3s. You just can't do it. And so that's why you can't really record it in a room like this, because the noise is bouncing around, and I'm using a lavalier mic, so the audio is crisp and clear. But with this thing, it would just be very nasty, and I would not recommend it. Plus, the low light performance of the Insta360 Go 3 is not the best. It's actually one of the worst. So I would not recommend this for vlogging indoors. Like, just don't do it. And don't kid yourself. You can't get away with filming indoors with the camera like this. For that, I still would recommend the Ace Pro or a mirrorless camera, full frame or whatnot, depending on your budget. But this is just not the camera to get. Maybe the Sony ZV-1. That is a good camera to use for vlogging indoors. But is the 360 Go 3? Nope. Outdoors though, it's perfect. It's really good. I just think that you should be aware of the limitations of this camera. It's good for so many things, and I would definitely recommend us using it as a travel camera or an extra camera, you know, for POV shots. But as a main content creation tool, this is too limited for it. And I'm just being honest. And it's not to say that I don't like this camera. I adore this camera. I use it all the time. It's just certain limitations with all cameras. That's the thing. You know, you can easily fit this in your pocket, or you can attach it magnetically to this pendant and keep it on your shirt at all times. With a full frame camera, as good as the image quality is, I can't fit it in my pocket. I can't submerge it underwater, and I definitely can't attach it to a pendant under my shirt. I just can't do it. This thing is a bit different. So all cameras have pros and cons. I just think you should be aware of the limitations of this camera. Okay, that's all I have for today. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye.